guys, welcome to today's video. Today we actually have another Oraimo product to review. So we have the Oraimo Freepods 3. It's an earbud from Oraimo that I'm about to review. It has a very solid package, solid box that actually protects the content. Solid box. And then we can dive in. So let me start from the front. The front says Oraimo Smart Accessories. So we have the one pair, 2 different fits, clear voice call, massive 10mm driver, incredible powerful bass, wow, and up to 28 hours playtime, charge, and when we have a 365-day warranty, that's 1 year. So over here it still talks about the noise cancellation. This is the side of the box, and this is the back of the box. The back looks very interesting. We have 2-phase here at the back. So it says it has a Bluetooth version 5.2 and it has a range of 10 meters, which is actually very long. And then it has a battery capacity of 45 milliamp. That's for the earbud, has 45 milliamp, and then it has a 500 milliamp case. And the battery life is up to 8 hours of playtime, which is quite a lot. Like we have 8 hours. I can't use it for 8 hours. So that means it's going to last you for days. I don't know how you're going to use it. And then it says the case provides additional 28 hours of power. That's interesting. And then the case uses the Type-C. Over here it says 1 pair, 2 different fits. So it has an awareness mode, which actually has like a smaller tip. The bass mode has a bigger tip, which actually seals the sound into your ear. Let's dive into this. How do I open this up? Yeah, so this is it. It flips. Wow. Ooh, Oraimo knows how to make a box. So this is it, and it flips to the side, and you see the product in a very beautiful, interesting view. I mean, the black looks interesting. Let me just flip it over. Wow, Oraimo knows how to make their package very attractive. I'm not going to lie about this, because this is attractive. Oraimo, thumbs up for your packaging. I think you just have to take it out of the cradle, and that's the box. It says pull, and we have the various tips. The various tips you can use right here, which is quite interesting. And then it says pull also here. It has a small tab that you can just pull. And then you have your Type-C charger, a very cute cable, Type-C. And then you also have your manual that you can flip through. So box out, put that in. This is smaller than my Beats by Dre, as you can see, by a very huge margin. I told you the Beats box is actually very big. This is how it looks like out of the box. It has this matte black at the top, and it has a glossy metal part, which I haven't seen it to be susceptible to scratches yet. We have 3 LED lights here, I'm sure showing the charge level. So I'm going to flip it open, and we're going to see what's inside it. So this is the flipped open. We have these 2 earbuds here, which are quite cute. I think I have to put the case away. As you can see, the case has a charging pin, and it has the smooth inside. We'll come back to the case later. And this is the case. Yeah, so let's bring in the earbuds. These are the earbuds. It feels quite solid. It feels quite solid. I'm not sure we're going to have any issue with this earbud falling down and breaking, or falling down and splitting. It doesn't show any joints. We have the tip here that can be changed, and it has this interesting hole right around here. But then it feels like it has rubber. It has rubber all around the tip. It has this rubber all around the tip. The rubber starts from here, and then the tips that you can change. So it has rubber here and the tips. You can see the charging bits here and the mic, showing the charging bits and the mic. So on the phone, we're going to see Oraimo Freepods 3 somewhere, so we can connect it. It says connected to Oraimo Freepods 3. So I'm going to play some music and I'll get back with a review. Yeah, it's good to be back. It's good to be back after my first impression with this. I think the positive side, the noise cancellation is superb. It's actually perfect. It feels like I have a headphone on. The noise cancellation is something I'm going to recommend for you. With the correct tip size, it actually seals your ear, so you actually hear everything right and crisp. I actually like this rubber seal over here. So the moment you put it in your ear, this rubber actually makes it quite comfortable as compared to the your ears touching the plastic on the Beats by Dre. On this one, it feels very comfortable because of this rubber over here, which is quite nice. That's a nice design from Oraimo. So the call quality is actually great. I could hear the other party very well and very clear when it comes to the call. It was very great. I could hear the other party, but then when it comes to the mic quality too, I think it was okay, because I asked the person, can you hear me? Do you feel the same noise in the background? The feedback I got was great, so we didn't feel like I had earbuds on and we had some feedback issues or some noise at the background. Everything felt great when it comes to the mic. But then when it comes to the quality of music I was getting, at first I thought it was from my Spotify. The sound is not well separated. There's bass, but then the bass and the treble feel mixed together. It feels infused. It's not well separated as I have it on let's say my Beats or on AirPods. It's not like that, or my high-end headphones. The sound feels mashed up together. But then I think it's quite decent. This is not their top of the line earbuds. I think they have another one higher than this. So I think it's quite decent, and I wouldn't blame them for that. But then the sound, out of a 10, I'm going to give the sound a 6 because it's not bad. I'm going to give the sound from music a 6 because it has very good bass, it has very good noise cancellation, and it actually connects quite easily, and the mic works well when you're on a call too. So I'm going to give it a 6 when it comes to the sound, which is what you use this product for. So their Freepods, being their midline or low line earbud, gets a 6/10 for me for my first use or my first review. I can see the original price here says $450, $499, cancelled to $376, and then around $349. So it's going to cost between 350 cedis to 400 cedis, which I think is a cool bargain, because you're actually getting a solid earbud with active noise cancellation, very light and compact case, and the sound quality is also not that bad. It doesn't sound like trash. It actually sounds quite good, even though it could get better, but it actually sounds quite good. That's why they have like other earbuds in their lineup, but then this actually sounds good. So for 350 cedis to 400 cedis, between 350 to 400 cedis, you can budget and grab one of these, and I promise you are going to have fun with this. So yes, this has been the Oraimo Freepods 3 review. Hopefully you subscribe for more. I have another Oraimo earbuds coming up, so yes, hopefully we jump onto that next. So thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you later.